Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start with the right ingredients for perfect French toast. In this video, I will show how to make French toast. You'll need 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. For that classic sweet touch, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a small pinch of cinnamon to elevate the taste. This simple combination forms the foundation of a delicious breakfast. Now, let's create our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk your 2 large eggs until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Slowly pour in the 1/2 cup of milk, mixing gently. Then, stir in the 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add that pinch of cinnamon. This smooth, aromatic mixture is key to perfectly coated bread. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a small amount of butter if desired. Dip each slice of bread into the batter, letting it soak for about 5 seconds on each side. Place the coated bread onto the hot pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your simple French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a generous drizzle of pure maple syrup. For a burst of freshness, add some fresh berries like sliced strawberries or blueberries. A light dusting of powdered sugar provides a beautiful and sweet finish. For an extra special treat, a dollop of whipped cream is always a delightful addition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.